We have two videos on this channel that has done very well. One is having 14,000 views and another one 12,000 views, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how much YouTube actually paid me for these videos, you understand? And these are videos that I, posted on my channel before I got monetized, right? But the amount I've got is somehow okay, right? You understand? But the second one is very, very funny. The amount I've earned on the second one is very funny and it's going to surprise you. Anyway, but then I want to encourage you guys to, keep on creating content, okay? I always say that you never know the video that will go viral. You understand? Yes. Most people, you want to get monetized on YouTube, but you're not ready to post videos. You understand? How do you get monetized if you don't post videos? You need to post videos so that you can get monetized. So I want to encourage you to keep on creating content because YouTube is good. We are going to make some money on YouTube. So now let's get onto my YouTube studio. Let me show you how much YouTube paid me for those two videos. And by the way, please like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Alright guys, so this video is having 14.5k views, okay, 14,000 views. And let's go to the reach of this video. So this video has an impression of 121.3k. That means YouTube has recommended it 121,000 times. And then the click-through rate is 9%. So in total, this video has got 14.5k views. And that is very good. Alright, so to the engagement of this video, it's having watch hours of 651, which is very good. It means that on YouTube, you need to look for views, okay? When you get the views, you are going to get the watch hours. You understand? That is how it is, okay? And to the engagement, it is having audience retention of 2 minutes 41 seconds, okay? Average view duration. And for the audience retention, it is 40%, okay? The video is 6 minutes long and people watch the 40%, which is 2 minutes 41 seconds. All right. So now let's go to the audience. So this video was watched by 3 top countries: Nigeria, United States, and Ghana. You understand? And they are going to influence the amount I make. That is how it works. You understand? So the countries that watch your videos determine what you are going to make on YouTube. That is it. Very, very simple. Right now, let's go to the revenue of this video. So to the revenue of this video, I've made $27.71, which is very, very good. Okay, even though I posted this video before I got monetized on this particular channel. Okay, so let me know if this money is worth it. But then the amount you make on your videos is dependent on the CPM of the video, right? So let's look at how much advertisers are paying. So advertisers are paying $9.31, okay? So for every 1,000 views, advertisers pay $9.31. You understand? So this is what advertisers are paying, and that's why I'll be able to make this amount of money. So now let's take a look at the second one, which is having 12,000 views. All right, so this is the next video with 12,000 views. Okay, so let's see how much YouTube paid me. So the video is having 12,800 views, 12.8k views, right? And then to the reach of this video, it's having impressions of 129.7k, which is very good. It means YouTube promoted this video very, very well. And then click-through rate of 6.3%. It is low because it was reaching a wider audience, right? And this is the total views it accumulated. So now let's look at the engagement of this video. It has got watch hours of 641. Yes, as I always say, you need to get views to get the watch hours. You understand? And then average view duration of 3 minutes, which is very good, which is very, very good. And then the audience retention is 32%. So they watched 3 minutes out of the 9 minute 20 seconds, which is not bad at all. And now
we need to look at the audience. Okay, so the audience is what is going to influence the amount I'll make. So it was watched by Nigeria, United States, and Ghana. You understand? And they are going to influence the amount I make on this particular video. So the revenue for this video with 12,800 views is $6.63. Yes, guys, this is what I've made. And as I said, this video was posted before I got monetized. So this is what I've made so far. You understand? But the CPM of this video is quite low. That is why I'm having this amount. Okay, so let's see the CPM of this video. All right, so the CPM of this video is $5.16. This is what advertisers are pay. You understand? So if advertisers pay more, you are going to get more money, right? If they pay less, you are going to make less money. And that is how come I got $6.63. But now, if you are looking for watch hours to get monetized on YouTube, I want you to watch this video on my screen, and it's going to help you a lot to get monetized on YouTube faster. See you another time.